Our first car show!
Not bad. The show starts at 12. We're gonna get there at 12:12. Probably like 12:30 because I gotta get gas. Whenever I see a Toyota dealership, I always play this game with Sandy where I'm like, you get to only pick one car from this whole dealership. Which one are you taking? She chose this Toyota Tundra. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a cement gray TRD Offroad. I thought they didn't make cement gray anymore. We're only 2 minutes out from this car show. I have no idea what I'm even gonna see. It's cars, trucks, and motorcycles. So we made it to the actual car show. They have a ballot, right? Like where you can vote. Now there's a lot of very nice cars out here, but everyone has their own separate little category. It starts off with like American trucks, American cars, import trucks. I don't know how car shows work, but I'm pretty sure you vote for your favorite car and then, well then, the person is a winner. That's mine. Import truck number 1. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the other vehicles that are here because there's a lot nicer cars versus just your Tacoma that you're used to.
Let's go with the import truck. That is going to be Emmanuel with his 2021 Toyota Tacoma. Hopefully he's run. Oh, yep, there he is. All right.
Well, now the show is officially over, and as you guys can see by Sandy, we definitely won. But we were the only imported truck here, but it's all right, it doesn't matter. We scared the competition away.
We did.
You can't compete against Big Blue. I will say though, out of everybody who saw the truck, there was only one person who realized that I had chrome on one side and black on the other. So I definitely need to figure out something where I can make it a little bit more distinguishable. Well, it was super loud. All the cars were leaving and they were making me want to buy an exhaust for my Toyota Tacoma. I know I probably shouldn't do it, but I'm probably gonna do it. That was quite a treat. Shout out to my coworker for inviting me. I genuinely didn't know what it was gonna be like, so I just showed up. And I will say, as you guys saw by the video, it was not meant for Toyota Tacomas. I had the only import truck there, so hence why I won. No one has to know, but this is officially a show truck. It feels like this truck only brings me into places where I want to spend more money. Now, I have a lot of things that I want to do. There's a company that I'm working with to possibly get a rooftop tent. I don't know how soon on the way actually is. Secondly, I'm gonna get some ditch lights. Third, I need some tires. Sandy absolutely does not. Oh, she can hear me. She can hear me. Jeez, Sandy does not like this conversation, but I'm thinking about getting new tires. She's still looking at me. Just walk away slowly. That's later down the line. First and foremost, I want to do a lot more lighting, and then I want to get my rooftop tent. Those are my priorities right now. Am I an overlander? Not yet. I don't think I'm an overlander yet. I just like to go camp. Let me know down below in the comment section which vehicle of the ones that you saw was your favorite. Oh, I absolutely forgot. If you're still watching this video, I appreciate you very, very much. But I'm gonna be making merch. So if you're interested in merchandise from me, stay tuned. It'll either be in this video, oh geez, Wednesday's video or Friday's video. There's only 2 shirts up for grabs. They're gonna be made once you place the order. These 2 are mine. They're kind of hard to see. I guess right there is a pretty good color representation. Think about Lunar Rock. These shirts are like Lunar Rock. I have them listed on a site called Etsy. So on Etsy, I have already posted one of them. It's already up for sale. So if you're interested and you find it, then thank you if you purchase it. But if you don't, I'll have a link for them in one of my videos, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. One of those days, it'll be linked down below in the description or in the comments. So this is it. It's Aang in the middle of the Toyota Tacoma. It is a TRD Sport because this was based off the Quicksand. And then back here, it has Be Amazing. So the same thing you guys see on my windshield, it has it back here. I'll try to show it to you guys a little bit better. Right there. It says Be Amazing. I will say the shirt's really good quality. I'm not lying. I'm not BSing. I've been wanting to do merchandise for the past like year and a half, but I haven't found material that I was happy with. Finally, I found something that I I'm proud of selling and giving to you guys. It's like a 3D velvety type feeling. It feels great. It's really nice, and I've gotten nothing but compliments on these shirts. Second one is my favorite. Now, always explore. I think it's so sick. Very, very simple, and I'm thinking it's gonna do well, I hope. And then on the side here, on the arm, you got like a little badge, but right here it has an Aing on the side. The store name is Aing Made Tees. I'll put it on the screen if you can find it. I couldn't find it, and I tried to look it up myself, but one of them is already listed. If you can find it, great, and you want to purchase it, I appreciate it very much. If you're interested, there you go, but if you're not, thank you for watching. But with all that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy. I'm Outie Like an Outie. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.